Did you ever seen any computer AI working like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa? If yes, then this video is for you. Of course, if you are interested in computer AIs, then this video is for you. In this video tutorial, I'm just showing you that I have created a small AI, my first career AI, and I am a 14-year-old boy, Pratik Tyagi, and I am just been showing you how you can how my AI works basically. So let's get started. So as you can see now, I am on my PC screen. So let's go. And there's a software called Jarvis. So let's open that.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Jarvis, can you please tell me something about Michael Jackson, dancer Michael Jackson, Wikipedia? So now it will recognize what I have said.
Finding results from Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Michael Joseph Jackson, August 29, 1958 June 25, 2009, was an American singer, songwriter, and dancer. Dubbed the King of Pop, he is regarded as one of the most significant cultural figures of the 20th century and one of the greatest entertainers.
Who invented you?
I was invented by a 14-year-old Indian boy Pratik Tyagi. He is a great programmer. He is in only 9th class.
Command 437.
Command executed.
So as you can see, this is the command to exit it, and you can see that I have created the AI. So if you like the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So as you can see that the AI is working, and now if you wanted to just you wanted to create your own AI, then you can visit my channel and subscribe to my channel, and I'm just soon possible teaching how to create AIs. So thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.